Today is not about the melding together of two people, but the continued connection and love of a couple 1 year into marriage. We go through our lives making millions of choices. Some are difficult while others are simple. Stephen and Rebecca have already made the choice to start this union. But every day, they have to decide to continue their love for one another. In the moments they share that are easy and difficult. This second wedding preparation has been stressful, but through their care and understanding of one another, they work through it and found time to enjoy themselves between all the planning. That is because every day they make a choice to be there for one another. That is why today's celebration of their love is about choices. Marriage is not an easy endeavor. As many who have been married for long periods of time can attest. It is about compassion, compromise, and choices. In honor of Stephen and Rebecca, and Rebecca's love, I have written a poem for them, which was inspired by the love they hold for each other. May they be an example for all of us. And as the theme of what I've been discussing is choices, the title of the poem is also choice. Science says our bodies react to a stimulus before our brain has time to process what is happening. We react without thinking, DNA choosing the decisions we make. It's that fibrillation of the heart, a rapid thump as I see your smile. The cucumber coconut smell of your hair painting against your shoulders. My DNA screaming, clawing at every cell to touch you. My cells chose you before I chose you. They chose you when we were stardust, blending into the eternal ether, blasting apart billions of light years to finally meet at a small cafe where Sartre sipped wine, pontificating about the existence of man, where old men sit quietly on a Sunday morning, tracing the ridges of wrinkles on their faces, where we now sit, recreating stars with the holding of our hands, sharing whispers between touching lips, inhaling one another's souls.
Time is one of the concepts that has really fascinated me for my whole life. Each moment is very unique, like a fingerprint or a snowflake, and to me, there's no one else I would want to spend all of those finite, precious moments with other than you. And I'm excited for what the world has to bring for us next. I don't see any Tsikudya here, so I don't. I think in the shuffle we can't do a Tsikudya shot, but I love you, Bean.
Love you.